All right, we are back with segment 3 of the Tunisian Square in Simple Stitch, and we just finished going back after we closed our first 3 center stitches. And I want to show you something. We're going to concentrate or focus on these vertical stitches here until we get to the horizontal bar that's in the back holding the center 3 stitches. This is the horizontal bar, and then on the other side of those 3 we have more vertical bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have our last chain stitch. So we will be going through the vertical stitches, then the horizontal bar, and then the last set of vertical stitches, and then the chain. Okay, so let's get on our way back. Okay. Put the head of your crochet hook through that first vertical bar, and then yarn over and pull up a loop. Vertical bar 2, yarn over, pull up a loop. Vertical bar 3, yarn over, pull up a loop. Vertical bar 4, yarn over, pull up a loop. Vertical bar 5, yarn over, pull up a loop. You don't have to count them, but I am just to make it easier for demonstration purposes. Now we've arrived at the center 3 stitches that are held by this horizontal bar. We're going to put our hook in from front to back, yarn over and pull up that loop. And now we're on the other side of the center 3. We're going to use these vertical bars, pull up a loop, 1, vertical bar 2, pull up a loop, vertical bar 3, yarn over, pull up a loop, vertical bar 4, oops, I don't like that, okay, yarn over, pull up a loop, vertical bar 5, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we're at the last chain stitch on the end, and we have these 2 strands making up that chain stitch. So we're going to go under both and pull up a loop. Try to keep that last loop a little looser. So I'll count again just to make sure we're right on track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6, 6, that's 12, and the center is 13. So we've just decreased 2 stitches, 1 on each side. All right, so now we're going to do the same thing going back that we did before. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I want to see if you notice that we're getting to the center 3 stitches and the one to the left of it. Yarn over, pull through 2. All right, now we're at that point where we're going to close again. The center 3 plus the 1 on the hook. We're going to close, yarn over, pull through 1, 2, 3, 4. We just closed the center 3. Yarn over, pull through 2, 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 and yarn over, pull through the last 2. So we had these vertical, we had the horizontal, holding those 3 center stitches, and then we have the vertical on the other side, and the last. All right, we're going to continue doing this as demonstrated until we get to the last 3 stitches, and we will be ready to finish the first section of the Tunisian square and add on to it. All right, be back with that.